I give money, Daddy.
What up, what up, what up? So D back with another video. And today I got a glass protection for your iPhone 11 Max. So we're gonna see what it comes with and yeah, see what it do. You already know. So let's see, it says open, pull tab here. Alright, what's up? You got there we go. Boom. So it comes with the little kit, little guide. Comes with 3 glass screen protectors. Instructions with, I believe, usually it comes with wipes and stuff like that. So let me see, instructions. Okay, yeah, we got the wipes, one for each screen protector, and what's this? Stickers, guide stickers. Alright, so we're gonna put this thing on and see what it do. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Did the installation. It's pretty straightforward. I like that. No bubbles. I know you can't see it, but you know, sometimes people really blah shit up, so yeah, I mean, at least I ain't do that. But it's pretty much elementary. They give you the guide, so you get the little guide right here. Basically, put it on your phone, and then after, before you do that, they give you little wipes. So you know, you basically take the wipes, take the wet one first, go over your phone. Take the dry one, go over your phone. Then after you put the guard on, alright, after you put the guard on, you want to take the little stickies here. These little stickies, they give you stickers here. You take the stickers and you go over the screen to pick up any dust. So the dust will end up on the sticker here. After that, you pop your screen protector. Take a screen protector out, peel it off. Take the screen protector out, peel it off, and start it from the top. And I just let it settle in by itself. And it did it like magic. So I was pretty happy with that. Back in the days, the screen protectors, especially those plastic ones, it's a pain in the ass, man. You know what I mean? Even when they came out with the guided ones, they were still a pain in the ass with the bubbles and everything else. No bubbles, no nothing, not even one bubble. So I'm pretty amazed. And I'm loving it right now. So great job to this company. They did their thing. I just want to see how the glass holds up, but if there's any problems, you know, I'll let y'all know. Other than that, that's about it. So if you're looking for a screen protector, you know, glass screen protector, this is easy peasy. Keeps the clarity of the screen. That's the difference between the glass ones and the plastic ones. The glass ones give a little bit more extra protection. Now, some people say it's extremely more. Trust me, bro, I done had all of them, and nah. You know what I mean? Nah. Especially on iPhones, nah. Maybe on Androids, but on iPhones, these all glass bodies, well, everything's becoming a glass body now anyway, but they're all glass bodies, man. Sometimes the screen protector will crack. You would think you good. You take off the screen protector and you realize that your screen is cracked too. So, yeah, sometimes they don't always work, you know what I mean, as good as the plastic ones. And the plastic ones are not that clear. It takes away some of the color and the contrast and everything else. So, you know, it depends on what your flavor and what your toxic is, you know what I mean? But definitely try this screen protector out. It worked fine. I put it on good. The clarity of the screen is still there, so I'm feeling it. So that's about it. You know what I mean? If you have any questions, holler at your boy. I'm gonna rock it out. You know what I mean? And if you have any questions, you know, just hit me up, see how I'm doing with it, and I'll let y'all know. Other than that, I'ma holler at y'all later. Easy.